So hello friends, today we are going to test the various liquids and various liquid for the conductivity of electricity. And so here we are taking the different liquids. Different liquids. Here there is a salt water, sugar water, lemon juice. Then it is soda water. Then distilled water and tap water, and there is kerosene. And here we make the one circuit with the help of the battery. In the circuit there is copper wire is there, and another is one is copper wire for cation charge, another for the negative charge or Ni. And here we take the one LED bulb. This is the LED bulb, and here we make some homemade circuit. In the first liquid, there is a salt solution is there. Salt solution which is consists from the electrolytes, and this is the circuit. And in this circuit, first we are taking from the plus terminal, we are connecting this plus and minus terminal with that. And here first when we touch this plus terminal with the battery circuit, and after that the red wire which is already dipped into the salt solution, and then we dip into the water. Then what we are going to see example here, it is the LED bulb is emitting or light the it means the soda water is conducting the electricity. Solution. In the second solution, the sugar solution is there. In the sugar solution, we know that electrolytes are there. We know that sugar, which is the formula C6H12O6, where is the various ions are there. So now we are going to see that sugar solution will conduct the electricity or not. So we made already the circuit. The one terminal, red terminal, is already dipped into the solution, sugar solution, and now we dipping the second. We will be going to see that it will be emit or not. Emit the light. See, this is the light is blipping. It means sugar solution is also a good conductor of the electricity. So now we are taking the third solution. In the third solution, we took the lemon juice. And lemon juice, after the connecting the whole circuit, here we are taking doing first this is terminal we are attaching the circuit, and now we attaching this another wire into dipping another wire into the lemon juice. See what will be the going to see result. This is light is blipping. It is positive. It means it this lemon juice is also good conductor of electricity. Now we are taking this into the another solution. First we just wipe off this solution, and we dip into the another solution. This is what this is the soda solution, soda water. And the soda water, after dipping this, what we will be going to see is that this is the wire. I am going to dip into this. This is also blipping the electricity, and that means it is also the good conductor of electricity. Now we are dipping this into the another solution. This is what? This is the distilled water. If I will be tell you that what is the distilled water. Distilled water which will not contain any type of the ions. It is already filtered water. So now I am attaching the circuit here in the distilled water. Distilled water is also good conductor of electricity. There is no iron, but there is a blipping, but less electricity. It emitting the less light as compared to the other salt solution and other electrolyte solutions. Now we are taking the another. Another is nothing but it is the tap water which we are used for the general purpose. Here I am dipping this first wire. Now this is the second. This is the second wire. I am dipping this wire into this. This is the tap water which already contained which is groundwater, which contained the various ions also. And this is also blipping the light. So the tap water is also good conductor of the electricity. Now we are dipping this wire circuit into our last solution. Our last solution is that, what is the last solution is our kerosene. As we know that kerosene is which we use for the burning the various purposes and the domestic purposes. Now we are dipping this and we connecting this circuit, and what we are going to show, there is a light is not blipping. See circuit, see the circuit where the 2 wires are already dipped, and the circuit is also attached, but there is no electricity is conducted here. So after performing the experiment, we see that results in this amp, whereas our objective was that for the checking the electricity, conductivity of electricity in different solutions. So here we use here we see the results that in the salt water, in sugar solution, and in lemon juice there is a high amount of content of electrolytes is there. So in these 3 solutions there is a light was emitting too much. Where we use the LED bulb, it was emitting the too much light in these 3 experiment, in the 3 solutions. In other as compared to these 3, as compared to the salt, sugar and lemon, it was contained the less amount of electrolytes, so that's what light was less emitted. But when we see that kerosene, in the kerosene there was no electrolyte is present, so it was not conducting any type of electricity. And in distilled water also, as compared to the other solution, the very less amount of electrolyte is present, so it emits the light very dull light. So after concluding that the electrolyte is a good conductor of electricity,